Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, it is just me and the pups. Well, I don't know if you can see the pups right now. You might be able to see their butts. There's Luce. There's the Lucy Goose. If you don't know the story behind Lucy, you can go watch this video over here. Go watch that video and come back to this one. Me and the girls thought we'd do a quick video, about something that a part-time RVer dreads. No, it's not frozen pipes. It is mice. So we're going to talk about mice, how to prevent them, things like that. If you're a full-time RVer, I guess you don't have that problem, because I don't know. Any full-time RVers out there, let me know. Do you guys have problems with mice in the winter? I wouldn't imagine that you'd have nearly the amount of trouble as us part-timers, because we have to store ours away for the winter. We can't store ours at the house because we live in a development, so homeowners association, all that stuff. Luckily, ours is only a few miles away, so I go and check on it every now and then. And that's what we're doing today. First, we have to stop and get gas. So let's go do that first. Don't tell Bipper I put 89 in the truck today. I don't know. I don't do it very often. I just feel like once in a while, truck deserves a little treat. It's like, it's like he gets water all the time. Maybe a little Mountain Dew every now and then. A little treat. That's all. I don't know. I don't know why it's so low. Why is it so low? Open up some blinds so we can actually see what's going on in here. Yeah, so get all your food, spices, seasonings, get them out for the winter. Kind of check underneath of the RV for any holes or anything that's not sealed up, because those little things can get in a very small crack. So you can use, I know some folks use steel wool, like if there's an opening, or there's some like spray foam stuff. I've used that before. We use that on our Winnebago. That works well. And also, the less ground contact points you have, I think, is the better. So like, I know some people put their like stabilizers down when they're just storing it for the winter. I don't do that, because that's just one more thing, one more access point mice can use to get up. So I don't know if that's even a thing or not, but for some reason in my head, I'm like, oh no, that would be 4 more points that they could use to get in. So the wheels, the tongue jack are the only ways that they can really get in here. So let's take a look around. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an old ladybug. Okay, so I don't see any evidence of mice. Okay, we'll put that back down because we're looking good. I see nothing. Let's check the toilet. Yep, we still got antifreeze. Woohoo! Remember to do that in the winter. And I just did that. Remember to do this every so often in the winter. Come in, make sure there is some antifreeze on your ball valve in your toilet, or else that thing will dry up and crack. and you'll have to replace it. Yeah, I think we're good. I don't see any signs of critters anywhere. So I'm going to give you my magic technique for keeping mice out of the camper. And if you have the luxury to do so, which we do because it's only a couple miles away, is to just pop in once or twice a week and take a look. Because more human activity in the RV means the mice will stay away. At least in my head. Like, that's kind of what we did with the Winnebago. Just popped in once or twice a week and we never had a problem. And the same goes for this one. I haven't had a problem yet. I just drive over here once or twice every week, look around, stay here for a few minutes. And you know what I just thought of? What would probably be a really good idea is to get one of those old school radios, just like an AM FM radio that takes the old like D batteries, and just set it in here and have the radio station. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Tell me what you guys think about that. Just leaving a radio sitting here, not blasting, just enough to keep some noise inside the RV. I think that's a really good idea. I may try that. Let me know what you guys think about that, and also let me know what you guys do with your campers in the winter. How do you keep mice from getting in? No, we're good here. We're good here. I'm going to try that radio thing. I can't believe I never thought about that before. Okay, so as you can tell, it is a nasty, chilly, rainy day. And let's clean you guys off. There, is that better? That's gonna do it. We're gonna go home and watch some football and chill out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Greatly appreciated. We will see you on the next one.